the Silicon Valley for textiles in Taiwan. Taiwan's textile industry is equipped with comprehensive industrial clusters and an integrated supply chain from upstream to downstream segments actively engaged in global deployment. It provides flexible production, quick responses, and customized services. Known internationally for its innovative technology, Taiwan's textile industry not only implements strict product inspection and quality control and practices sustainability, but also strives toward automation and intelligentization. Thus, Taiwan can be called the Silicon Valley for textiles. With abundant innovative R&D capacity and designability, Taiwan's plentiful textile talents and teams are fully capable of generating creative ideas and developing multi-application products. Taiwan is an indispensable partner for international brands. Climate change has damaged the global environment. Practical actions are taken by the industry to protect nature, conserve resources, and reduce pollution. Recycle and reuse practices are employed to create circular models for sustainable, continuous development. With the development of IoT and AI, Taiwan's high-tech advantages are incorporated to keep in step with Industry 4.0. In wearable smart textiles, to enhance buyers' experiences and create a new smart and healthy lifestyle, AR and VR interactive technologies are utilized. Athleisure and fashion, outdoor and sports, home and lifestyle, medical and protective, technical and industrial. Taiwan offers a multitude of textiles for a variety of applications to meet the needs of a diversity of lifestyles. Taiwan's textile industry will continue to innovate, research, and develop green and functional products and build sustainable value chains to create endless possibilities for the comfort of our lives. Taiwan, the new Silicon Valley of the global textile industry.
Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ethan. Welcome to the innovative and intelligent textile online new product launch organized by the Taiwan Textile Federation. This federation is commissioned by the Bureau of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Economic Affairs to implement the Textile Export Promotion Project. This project selects premium suppliers and is smart, innovative, and sustainable exports through the measure of the trade mission, exhibitions, and the new product launch like today. With its diversity of talent pool, innovative research and design capacity, and its competitive new brands, Taiwan's textile industry has already considered us one of the best partners of international brands. Today, to open the event, we are so happy to invite you a very special guest, the Vice Chairman of Taiwan Textile Federation, the Chairman of Taiwan Small Textile Association, and also the Chairman of Tex-Ray Industrial Corporation. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me to welcome Mr. Ray Lin.
Taiwan is well known for manufacturing functional textile and consumer electronics. Our well-developed supply chains in the electronics industry and textile industry provide an outstanding foundation for the development of smart clothing. To deep cross-industry collaboration, the Taiwan Smart Textile Association was established in 2018 in hoping that will act as a platform for both academic and industry exchange. This newly founded platform has over 50 members representing different sectors, and it is looking to future expand its member base. It's my wish that in the near future, When you think about smart clothing, you will think about Taiwan. Smart clothing has several applications that can better our life: healthcare, sports, and fashion. As we enter an era where people will live longer, you will ask, how can we lead a healthy and sustainable life in this aging society? The solution is smart clothing. With built-in biometric sensors, smart clothing will be able to monitor our health continuously and flawlessly. In terms of sports, smart clothing is already helping top athletes by implementing effective training programs through accurately correcting their physical status during training and play. Last but not least, smart clothing also plays an important role in fashion. Imagine wearing just a lightweight jacket during winter time and feels warm at the same time. The jacket can automatically heat itself and provide you to much needed comfort. With the use of LED technology, it can keep you safe by illuminating you at night. This may all sound like products from the future, but I can assure you they are here and will be in our lab not so long. We have 7 premier textile companies present their cutting-edge products and technology in this program. I hope it will bring inspiration to everyone watching here. Thank you and enjoy.
Thank you, Mr. Lin. You are now watching the Innovative and Intelligent Textile Online New Product Launch. This is the second day of our event, and it's my great honor to introduce you the next innovation. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to be here with us? And here comes the company, Makalot Industrial Co, Ruentex Industry Limited, and the Tex-Ray Industrial Co. Are you ready? Let's go! Following, we would like to invite every one of you to open your mind, because the next company is going to integrate all the possibilities to give you the next innovation products. So here's the situation 1. Imagine that in the summertime, it's super hot, super humid, and you're walking on the street with an aircon following you. Oh my God, but you bring nothing. No equipment, just with all your wearings. Situation 2. Imagine that everything happening in your body is being sensing and putting into the big data, analyzing, and then give you some final reports or some suggestion on sports or medical care. So ladies and gentlemen, the time is changing. Your future is going to be so different. And who is going to bring us that kind of world? Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you the Makalot.
Hi everyone, I'm Evan from Makalot. Today I will tell you more about Makalot and what we do. First of all, Makalot is a published company in 1990s in Taiwan. We have 30 years of professions and the partnership with top brands in textile industries. So in 2019, we have the annual revenue over 885 millions. And the second one was we have 180 million quantities about the annual productions because we provide so many different services to our customers. We are the one-stop solution provider to all different clients. So we can provide the material, design, production, and all the different co-innovation possibilities. And the third number is we have 33,000 of employees globally, and we have our self-owned factories. We have 17 self-owned factories all over the world. So 6 production bases make high quality and fast delivery products for Makalot and for our clients. So about the service Makalot can provide, we have the superior OEM and ODM capabilities. So the first one is we have our own design abilities and material R&D centers, and all based in Taiwan. And of course, because we serve a lot of different customers worldwide, so we have the global market analysis and international tariff management can help our clients to know the market better. And because we have collaborated with them so much, so we provide the sustained, eco-friendly, and the human-friendly service to all our different partners. And for ourselves, we do a lot of innovation because we want to meet the next generation, next 100 years of different possibilities, what can happen on the garment industries. So we keep focusing on the innovation products. And for the innovation team in Makalot, we do a lot of possibility future developing. So from the smartware to the pattern design, and for the future lab, what we all focus and aim to is to create the better clothes for the humans. So we create and combine a lot of different possibilities, different electronic ideas, and cross industries, medical, sports, health industries. All we want and the final goal is to create the best suit for all the different peoples. So this is what we're focusing on. So we call ourselves the open innovation. We open-minded and do all the innovations. So I will show you a short video to tell you what we are doing right now. So about our innovation roadmap, we have set up the Innovation Center from 2014. And in this 6 years period, we no matter doing the biosensing thing, but in these recent years, we also do the human contact things. So because this is a long distance of developing, so we have our own technology teams, we have our own engineers, we have our own capabilities about analysis. So we can provide the full solutions to all the different customers, and we have the strong ability and ambitious to customize the best solution for all of you. So the first product we have is about biosensing. We have so many different features on it, but it all based on the most accurate cardio detective systems. So we have the medical grade level of this kind of algorithms. So we provide the heart rate systems, and we also can have the IMU inside to do the motion captures. And based on a lot of different chip and application inside, we can and we want to fit most of the different scenarios. So we can detect the heart rate, the calories, the personal training histories, and about the SpO2 and the breath respiration. So these are all the different data we can provide to our customers. So this is the database we have built on and with the capability we are doing right now. And the second part of product we have is about we want to enhance the human comfort for all the different users, because we all know the climate is going to be extreme in the next generations. So the cooler things, the heating things. So we got the heating system, cooling systems. The aim is we want to have the next generation clothes to help the people have the more comfortable life. And of course, for all kind of developing, we always care is about the safety. So all the product we tell ourselves we have to have the FCC for America's market and the CE in EU market. And of course, all the different materials we're using, we want to keep it simple and fit for all the different clients, from the younger generations to the elderlies. So a lot of features we want to deliver, but we also care a lot about the product safety. So this is what we do about the innovation. So if you got any interest about all this kind of product, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
Hello, Evan.
Hi.
Today is Evan meets Even. So thank you for bringing us so many interesting products and
Yes.
the next innovation coming, right? So according to your presentation, talking about the body sensing, could you give us more hints and detailed information about how can we benefit from this and how exactly it is?
Okay. So as we define ourselves, Makalot is a total solution provider. So we provide all kind of technology from the material to the garment manufacturer, and also the after service from the algorithm to do the analysis. And because of we sensing so many different biodata,
Yes.
from the heart rate to the EMG to also we reflect to EMS, and also we do the motion captures. So by this, a lot of different data, we create our own big database. So we can collaborate with a lot of different scenario customers to provide their customized solutions. So this is what we're looking for and what our capability can provide to them.
Oh, wow. And with all this data, how can you, preserve all this data and how do you analysis? Could you give us more information and details?
So in this case, well, in most of our case, because our data is from the medical levels algorithm,
Yes.
so we can provide the most accurate data, no matter from the heart rate to the ECG and to other different scenarios. We can all provide the best solution for the different customers. So this is what we can provide.
Wow. So what about the clouds?
Yeah. So because we collect so many different data, so we build out our own server and the cloud. So as we say, we collaborate with all different scenarios. We can provide the customized, highly customized service for them. So including borrowing our cloud database, and of course we can offer the different solutions.
Well, that's a one-stop service.
Yes, this is what we focus on.
Wow, amazing. No wonder you call yourself the next innovation.
Yes.
And what about the human comfy? You know, there are some company already having this kind of products on the market. What makes you different? What makes you outstanding? And what makes you feel that you can win?
As even you say,
Yes.
because we all know there are so many different type of the heating product on the market. So no matter from the material, from the clothing design to all the applications, they are more focusing on the heating. For the people when they are doing in the cool or cold industry or a cold environment, can help them to generate the heat. But what we more focus on, of course, we have this kind of the solutions.
Yeah, thank
but
you.
what we more focus on is we're doing to help people to cool down.
Cool down.
Cool down is what we're focusing on. Because cool down, because we live in Taiwan. Taiwan is so humid and so hot.
So hot.
So hot in summer, right? So to cool the people down is what we focus on. So we tighten out the cooling aircon on the human's clothing. So we combine it to a next generation's cooling solutions.
Wow, so that means next time I can walking on the street with my own aircon and no more sweat.
Yeah, this is what we are focused for.
Well,
and we are
that's
aiming for.
pretty cool. Wow, thank you, Evan, for bringing us this kind of good technology and the next innovation mindset. So, ladies and gentlemen, the above products and new technology is all from
Makalot.
Innovation is always from the bold imagination. When we talk about textile, of course, comfortable go first. And what else? Ladies and gentlemen, imagine that there's one kind of material, the textile, that will make you healthier day by day. And this kind of textile will increase your body blood circulation and make you feel relaxed and release your muscle pain, in the meanwhile make you feel warm. Imagine that. There's a new textile that could help you avoid from the attraction of bacteria, virus, and even the accident of fire. Imagine that. There's a new textile that you can wear it on, you're cooling your body temperature, you feel comfortable, happy, and in the meanwhile, it's friendly to the environment. Ladies and gentlemen, everything I say is truly happening right now. It's the next presentation we are going to show you. So now, let's welcome the Ruentex Industries Limited.
Hello everyone. Welcome to join the online presentation. I'm Kevin Fong from Taiwan Ruentex Industry. Today, I'm very happy I have the chance to join you over here and present our new creation through the video. Ruentex is an experienced company established in 1953. In 1977, we become a published company in Taiwan market. The president of our Ruentex is Dr. Hans Chu, and I'm Kevin Fong, who in charge of the therapy team and also government. Over here, I would like to share our new product. There are 4 series. The first one is for work series. The highlight of the part 1 is Ruentex work with the HiQ company. The HiQ is a very innovative and the leader in the textile industry. And also they launch a lot of the very innovative products. We work with them over the 2 product areas. The first one is the BioBlock. We use the BioBlock chemicals to launch the first product of the Ruentex face mask. There are 3 layers of the face mask. The outer layer is asphalt fabric with the PFC-free water repellent performance. The second layer, we work with the patronized technology company in Taiwan, and this is the microfiber firm, can have a very good filtration efficiency. The third inner side of the fabric, we use the asphalt fabric or the dressing knit, which created with the HiQ BioBlock, and have very good antimicrobial or antivirus performance. This is the test report when we test on the inner fabric on the antimicrobial testing, and we got very good, very successful performance. Not only the face mask, we also launched the BioBlock product into the blanket. As you know, a lot of the business person who travel on flight always request a blanket from the crew. But if you can get a BioBlock blanket, and not only to keep warm, but also can protect you and avoid any risk of the COVID-19. This is also the testing report we do on the blanket fabric, antimicrobial testing, and also got very good performance. The third program of the first part is the recycled cool mass. I think this is the very innovative and the leader product on the market because we combine the recycle ideas into the cool mass and the very good wicking performance and the comfortable, and because the fabric we combine the recycled cool mass with the T400. The brand Nauticus, who launched the recycled cool mass this season and a very successful sales performance. The fourth one is the Smart Cross. Ruentex, we launched our Smart Cross with the sensors can detect your body, your heartbeat, and your body temperature, and also your walking step on the sensors. And we try to let our customer can understand the situation of your body. The second part of my presentation is for casual and for sports. The first one, we work with the small temp chemicals on the jersey knit. The knit can let you feel more cooling performance better than others, and not only cooling but also comfortable. This is the testing report of the Smart Temp, and we got very good effect levels. The second program of the part 2 is Nice Cool. The Nice Cool t-shirt, we combine the cotton base of in the inner side and also the Nice Cool yarn of the nylon base. There are good performance on the cooling and the wicking performance, and you can feel instant and the long-lasting cooling performance through the Nice Cool fabric. The third program of the part 2 is the compression leggings. I think a lot of customers during the pandemic period, they run over the campus or around the association. So the leggings is very important. Not only the comfortable, we also can print the design by our brand customers, have also the fashion ideas, and also the reflected logos. The third part is the home for home. Now, everybody spend a lot of time at home. So we launched the natural luxury material like the wool, like the silk, and the bedding covering and the sheet. Not only the natural fibers, we also have using the graphene technology. We can print the graphene on the t-shirt, on the fabric, can keep you warm when you wear it or you cover it. The third program is the Energy Boost. The Energy Booster is a special maintenance which the material embedded into the core yarn of the nylon and the polyesters. We use the yarn weaving into the shirting fabric or knit into the t-shirt. When you wear the Energy Booster product, you can feel more warm than others because the Energy Booster can increase your blood circulation and let you feel more oxygen, feel warm, especially in the winters. So our t-shirts, which combine the graphene and also the Energy Boost, especially in the winter, the customer feel very comfortable and warm when they wear it. We also have some of our green products like the recycling. The fourth program of the part 3 is anti-allergy. I think a lot of children have allergy issues. So we work with the Japanese chemical company and launch the anti-allergy fabric. This is the test report of the anti-allergy performance. The part 4 is our sustainability progress. We have the biodegradable polyester yarn. We work with biofuels. And also we test it on the net field, marine, and also the ocean microfibers test. We got very good successful after the 380 days. Almost 87% will decompose by itself. This is the second source of the magic base yarn we work with. Also is a biodegradable polyester type. We also work with the Poly, who is an NGO association and focus on collect the polyester bottle from the ocean. So we launched the ocean plastic yarn, ocean yarn with the Poly, and we are partnership, and would like to recycling the bottle from the ocean. The second one is the recycled nylon. We have the Kuloma, is the nylon 66.6 base. And we also the Econeo is also the nylon 6 base. Very soft and very comfortable fabric. The next one I would like to present is the seawool. The seawool yarn is a recycled polyester base, but embedded with the oyster shell material inside. And it can keep you warm more than other polyester-based type. We also have the dry release. Through the blended with the polyester and the natural fiber, the dry release program can keep you warm, keep you more dry, more comfortable. The next one I would like to present is we also have the Sonona. Sonona material is from the corn and is the recycling and the green product. The final one I would like to present is the EcoVelo. It's a recycled rayon, recycled viscose. Good hand feel, soft and comfortable. The Refiber, we work with the lensing and launch the program on the t-shirt and also the shirting fabric. The next one is the recycled wool. We collect the wool material from customers and would like to save the material. If you have any question or any request on the product I present, please contact with me. I'm Kevin Fong from Ruentex. Thank you, everybody.
Hello, Kevin.
Hello, Evan.
Hi, everyone. Kevin meets Evan. Provide you the strongest protection in daily life.
Hello, everyone.
Today is so happy we have a very good presentation, and through that we found a very eye-catching product.
Yeah.
Kevin,
yes.
Please let us know this kind of viral block, this kind of material and textile, antibacterial, antivirus, and can help you avoid from the damage of fire, the flame retardant. What kind of field are you trying to step in, and what's the plan next for us?
Yes, today I would like to demonstrate our new product, very innovative one. And this is the blanket.
Oh.
As you know, I think everyone, when you travel on the flight, you always have a blanket on it.
Of course.
But now we use the blanket, we use the flame retardant yarn material to weave into the blanket. And we also have the viral block. This is the special material we cooperate with the Swiss company, and they have antibacterial and also the antivirus performance.
Yeah, and with this kind of blanket or any products, you don't have to worry about anything like COVID-19.
Especially when you travel, you on the flight, on the train, or even you stay at hotel, you have such kind of blanket that you can protect yourself, avoid any risk.
So it's a wide utility.
Yes.
Wow, thank you. And it can also be any kind of products.
Yes,
right?
like this one, we use the viral block.
Yes.
We developed the face mask. And this face mask, we have the water repellence on the outer fabric, outer side of fabric, and avoid the spread of from
The
others.
water
Yes,
and
the inner side, the fabric, we also have treated with the high Q, the viral block chemicals, have the antibacterial and also the antivirus performance.
Wow, so this kind of materials actually can be tailor-made and customized to be any products you need.
Especially like a lot of fashion brands, they would like to launch their own product.
Yes.
So we can design and follow the like the color, the pattern from the brand customer, and they can help them to launch their own products.
Yes, so not just functional, but fashion.
Yes. The key point is we try
Yes.
to combine the function and the fashion together. Yes.
And the next question, besides the function and fashion, another very important key point of the world is sustainability.
Yes.
And talking about that, you have a new solution for that,
Of
right?
course,
And
yeah.
it's pioneer among the world, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. So today, this is the program, we call it the Recycle Core Mask.
Yes.
We use the, as everybody knows, the core mask is a very good performance on the wicking.
Yes.
But now we work with the fashion brand, the Nautica, and we launch the long pants and the chargers using the recycled core mask. And the recycled core mask is a good, like green product and good for the earth.
And what is the challenge when you are making this into the pants?
I think the weaving methodology is hard to control. So
Yes.
it is the first program adopt the recycled core mask and also the T400, and also with the very comfortable stretch performance.
Yes, so join us as the pioneer and be friendly to our environment.
Yes.
Last question is a very good, important product for our daily life. Because we are now interfered by the electronic signal every single day. And here is something that could boost your blood circulation and give you more energy. What is that?
Yes. Over
This?
here, we
Okay.
would like to present our new innovative product. We call it the Energy Boost.
Energy boost.
Like this underwear T-shirt, we print on the graphene and also the energy booster powders. And the underwear T-shirt, when you wear it, it can keep your blood pressure more blood circulation more quickly and let you feel more oxygen.
Wow, and I heard that the material, the powder, is actually the ashes from the volcano in Japan, right?
You are right. This is a very special material. We got the minerals from the Japan volcanoes.
Wow, and this will help you to release your muscle pain and also release the tense of the nerves as well, right?
Yes, especially in the winters. When you wear such kind of the underwear, you not only feel warm, but also you feel more good, more health. Yeah.
Okay, more comfortable.
More comfortable.
Comfortable is always the key issue when you're having the wearing all the textile, right?
Yes.
Today we are so happy to have Kevin here to bring us so many innovative products. So ladies and gentlemen, if you like the products, no matter it's antibacterial, virus block, cool mask, or the energy booster, please contact
Ruentex.
are going to introduce you the motion capture suit. Motion capture suit? Yes, that's what you are thinking about, and that's the same thing happening in the movie Player One. Every movement you have will be transferred into the signal and into the data. And those data could be used and applied on so many fields, like the athletes training, healthcare, elderly care, and of course, gaming. Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, now you must be very curious. What kind of material it is? It's a new material, a very unique one called metallic yarn, and it transfers the stainless steel into the soft yarn, and it's comfortable and warm. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to follow in the journey to the new technology world? Now, I'll present you the Tex-Ray.
Hello everyone, this is Tony from Tex-Ray R&D department. Tex-Ray, we are a 43 years old experienced textile company, and our services are from R&D, knitting, dyeing, finishing, and garment making. Our mission is to provide trendy apparel with green, healthy, and comfort through innovation technologies. In the first 20 years, we started in Tainan, Taiwan, as a yarn dyeing factories. In the years, we worked our ways to US. We opened a branch office in Los Angeles and New York, and also vertical integration production bases in Mexico. In the year between 2000 and 2010, we worked our way to South Africa, to a country called Kingdom of Eswatini. We also set up a vertical production base in the kingdom. And we also started a few business in different textile areas, including King's Metal Fiber and AIQ Smart Clothing. In 2010 to 2020, we moved our focus back to Asia area. We set up our vertical bases in Yancheng, China, and few more garment factories in Cambodia and Vietnam. Relating to today's topics, smart textile and wearables, Tex-Ray has two very important subsidiaries. King's Metal Fiber, who can provide metallic yarns from stainless steel. Metallic yarns has a few very unique functions. It can conduct electric signals and transfer heat. AIQ Smart Clothing, a total solution provider who can integrate textiles with electronic systems. And we have been working in this field for more than 10 years. To live up to the high quality standards of our customers, we set up a quality systems to fulfill our customers' different needs. And to understand the most newest and informations, we also join different institutes around the world, including AATCC, ASTM, and in Taiwan, we also join different groups. And the most importantly for today, we are in the group of Taiwan Smart Textile Association. To understand what's going on in the world, Tex-Ray are also participating in different parts of the exhibitions around the world, including Outdoor in US, ISPO in Munich, Intertextile in Shanghai, and TITUS in Taipei. And we also join different exhibitions in the area of electronic systems like MWC, CES, TISPO, and many others. To introduce our products, first we are going to talk about heart rate and ECG. This is one of the first functions that we found can be used in smart textiles. Back in the days, people used to use smart rings to monitor their heart rates. And by using our solutions, we can embed the sensors into our clothes. And when people wear our clothes, we can monitor the heart rate through easier and comfortable ways. Below, there are a few clicks that can show you the applications in the heart rate monitoring areas. The first will be sports and trainings, and the others will be healthcares and long-term cares.
IQ 智慧衣利用特殊的不锈钢金属纤维作为织物电极，以舒适、方便、贴心为出发点来设计及打造智慧衣。 AIQ 健康管理方案，提供专业照护系统整合，全方位照护长者，让家人更放心。只要穿上 AIQ 智慧衣，将开启您一天的智慧健康管理生活。智慧健康管理方案提供整套专业智慧科技设备，先进的位置姿态感知传感器，在长辈发生急难之际发送讯号，让护理人员能做到照护零漏洞，救援零时差。
And next, introducing our heating products. Our metallic yarn can be made into different heating pads and then embedded into clothes, such as jacket, hoodies, and more different products. More importantly, the product has to be safe because it's electronic and heats. So below, there's a video to show that our products can be even working under the situation of wet and water. And when you remove the batteries, the product can actually flow into the washing machines. Next, introducing our motion capture systems. The motion capture suit can use up to more than 80 sensors on a clothes, and it can be used in many different areas, including sports and training, rehab stations, healthcare, games and entertainments. And the fun part of this system can work without cameras. So when you wear on this suit, you can move freely, safely, easily, and the data captured can be showed simultaneously or be analyzed afterwards. Recently, during the COVID-19 crisis, makers think about what we can do in the smart clothing areas that can help people. So we embedded the temperature monitoring sensor into our clothes. So in that way, when our employees, our staff wear the clothes moving around the working areas, we can easily monitor the temperature continuously. So if there is any certain change of the temperatures or temperature changes during amount of time, we can find out in our systems. And during this time, we can easily track our personnel's moving path, so we don't have to lock down the whole areas. Below, there is a video to show that if a staff is wearing our clothes, whenever he's moving through a gate, the data can be transferred into cloud systems instantly, and it can be seen in the central control computer or on the apps. Okay, so there's a quick summary of our functionals. Here is a quick review of our functions. Our functions can be applied into different areas, including healthcare, sports and trainings, games and entertainments, and safeties. So, if you are looking for a solution provider and a good partner to working into the smart textile and wearable world, please welcome to contact Tex-Ray and AIQ. Thank you for listening.
Hi, Tony.
Hi, Evan.
Thank you for your presentation. That's very shocking.
Thank you.
And I personally like the motion capture suits. That's so cool, very eye-catching.
Thank you.
Can you help us to know more about this and which field are you going to step in?
It actually can be used in many different areas. The first one is sports and training. So when athletes wear on this motion capture suit, when they are performing, we can capture all the movements and data for our coach to do more analysis and teaching afterwards.
Yeah,
Yes.
so we can react very quickly, but keep monitoring all the athletes and
Yes.
all the reaction,
Yes,
right?
and because we can put up to 18 sensors on the clothes, so every joint, every movement can be monitored.
So it would be very specific.
Yes, that's right.
And what about in healthcare and elderly care? Because it's very big in the future.
People used to go to hospital for rehabs, and the doctor has to see the people doing the movements in the hospital. So by using this motion capture device to help, a doctor can give the patient their descriptions, and the patient go back. They can turn on their cell phones to see the apps, to see how many movements and how the movements they have to do every day. So they can, by doing so, and record on the apps. So they don't have to go back to hospital every day to see the doctor. So saving the doctor's time, and doctor can see the records online and give our patients more instant comments and feedbacks.
Yeah, and
Yes.
more instruction.
Yes.
Wow, this is distance clinic.
Yes.
And the last one is the most excited part. It's the gaming.
Yes, gaming and entertainment is one of the biggest industry in the world now. Yeah, and just like in the movie Player One, what you see is gonna be coming true in the future. By wearing this motion capture suit, enables you to play the games without having your hands bounded. So your hands are free, your bodies are free. Whatever movements you do, it's in the game. Yeah, and also in the filming industry, by wearing this motion capture suit can help you do some animations. So it's safer, it's easy to wear, and it helps you enhance your movements.
Yeah, so the high-tech world is going to be on your real life.
Yes.
And for the last question about the gaming, a lot of companies actually focus on this as well.
Yes.
So what is your winning points?
There are two very unique strengths of our company, because we started this business very early, like back in 10 years ago.
Wow.
So we have a lot of experience dealing with different situations. So if you are looking for customized smart device or smart wearable, and we are the one to look for. And also the main point of this, the main strength of this is we have a unique function of extruding metallic yarn from stainless steel. Yes. So,
so you mean this is actually the stainless steel?
yes.
Wow.
The yarns that you have in your hands are actually extruded from the stainless steel. And these yarns are like 1/20th of the thickness of your hair.
Well, but it's so soft, even softer than my hair.
Yeah, and because of this unique material, it has special functions and features. It allows us to conduct electricities, transmit signals, and heating. Yeah, so we apply those different functions into the products that you see. Yeah.
Amazing. And what about the strength?
It's actually by using wearable technology, there are a few very important points that we have to take care. One is that you just mentioned, it feels good, comfortable, because we are wearing it. And the other one is safety and washable. Yeah, because safety comes first, always.
So, can we try?
Sure, of course.
Okay. So now I have this. Oh wow, it's already hot.
Yeah, it's a heating pad.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me see what's the temperature? Oh, it's 31. Wow.
31, yes.
31. Okay. So now, so it's 31 Celsius. So now,
Let me try for you.
yeah,
Okay.
put it into the water.
Put it in the
and
water.
twist it as hard as you can.
Of course.
Like mommy.
Let's try.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's all wet right now.
It's all wet.
Yeah.
Okay. And I
Twist
can
it.
twist it like in the washing machine.
Bend it.
Bend it. Okay.
Are you still alive? Let's
I
try.
am still alive, of course. Yes.
Okay. Oh, it's still very hot with 28, even though it's into the water and back.
Yes.
Cool.
And more importantly, it's safe and still working.
Yes,
Okay.
it's still hot. And nothing. Just kidding.
Don't scare our
And I heard you also bring us some functional fabrics and the lightening solutions. Could you share us about that?
Sure. Taiwan are not only well known for smart textiles, we also are into functional fabrics.
Yes.
Okay, so here on my side there is a smart LED jacket, and there is a smart fashion mask, because nowadays everybody needs a mask.
Yes.
And what is smart about it, it has a unique feature of antibacterial. So when you wear it, it cleans the air, so it doesn't smell bad after a long time when you wear it for long times.
Yes.
Okay, and on this jacket,
Okay, turn it over. What's that?
it's a LED jacket.
Oh.
When people are jogging or riding bicycle in the dark, we can use our yarns to make LEDs onto our garments. So when you wear it on the road doing exercise, it's safer.
Yes.
And even for policemen or workers, they will be safer on the road.
And for the future plan, I heard you want to make it more sensible, right?
Yes. Yeah, because by embedding all the different functions into one clothes is also our strength. So in the future, what we're gonna do is try to use motion sensors and LED jackets. So when you're riding, you turn left, shine on the left.
Yeah.
You turn right, shine on the right.
Cool. And talking about COVID-19, I heard you also have some solution for temperature catching, right?
Yes, because we can embed a lot of different sensors onto our clothes. So temperature is one of the leading facts that we defined where people is having COVID-19 right now. So by using those temperature sensors embedded onto our clothes, when our people, our staff or our workers walking around the areas, we can know the instant temperature of this person. And wherever he goes, we know. Like on Google Map, they can monitor outside.
Yes.
But inside the building, we can monitor the person from door to door. So be more specific about the tracing of this person. Wow. So if the temperature has a certain change or has went up over amount of time, we can know from our data that this person has been here, has been there, and now he's bad. So we don't have to lock down and shut down the whole area. The whole area. Wow. We can have a better understanding of this person path.
So the tracing will be easier than before, from the blocks to block to room to room. So it's scaled down.
Yes.
Cool. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a lot of new and cool new technology and textile here, and they are all from
Tex-Ray.
Thank you for watching the innovative and intelligent textile online new product launch today. It's the end of the event, but don't worry, we will come back really soon. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to share this video to your friends or you want to rewatch it, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the reminder. You will receive our information very soon, and the video will be online very quickly. So if you have any question for us, or have any suggestion to improve our future events, please have no hesitation to scan the QR code or click the link below to help us on the survey. Thank you so much for being here with us, It's our great honor to share the product, the innovation, and the amazing textile product with every one of you in the world. We are Taiwan Textile Federation. Have a good day and enjoy your life.